Hi everyone, so Artist from Main Carpentry, just an update of what we're doing. So we started the kitchen. For those who see this video first, as you go back slightly, what we're doing, we're basically using the pre-made units, carcasses, and we're gonna frame them and also make our own doors and end panels, put cornice. So visually it will look like it's a bespoke kitchen, which is kind of is, but not 100%. So I would say it's probably 50% bespoke. And the reason why we're doing it, because it is cheaper than making fully bespoke. You say, well, what is the pros then for having bespoke? Well, pros are that you can make any size cupboard, where with the pre-made ones you've got a set measurements, so you can't choose, you don't have as much choice, so you got to compromise. So you can go for what you basically have. We obviously can make any size doors it needs, but still, you just got a unit, set size units, where bespoke you can make any size, whatever you like. So that's basically the biggest difference. The other thing is, I would say, is the time saving, because to make units probably you're looking at extra week with everything with shelves and stuff. So that definitely is saving time. But yeah, as I said, that's another option basically for people who are looking into getting their kitchen done. It will be, cost-wise, it probably will be slightly more than you would buy from your local merchants, whether it's Howden's, Wicks, Wren, or whatever other ones you get in your area. But obviously it is bespoke at the end of the day. So, it will look better. It will look like you would see in our previous videos. One of the bespoke kitchens we've been doing, it will look similar to that, but it will be just with carcasses being bought basically by a customer. And also with these Malamite ones, you can choose any color you like really inside of your cupboards. Well, here customer chose white ones, but you could get also effect finishes, birch, oak, walnut, you name it. So I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and we'll catch up with you later.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy.
Hi everyone, it's Art from Man Carpet. Just a quick update on a job. So, what we're doing, what I've done, I finished framing. So this frame, what that will do, that will take our bead and a frame which we're gonna plant on the face of it. And reason being because we're using traditional kitchen hinges, so we can go in these holes, use the original holes. And if, for instance, we would use like a folding hinges, knuckle hinges, then we wouldn't have to bring it out as much. We could just have a frame over the front of it. But as we're not, we're using normal kitchen hinges or cabinet hinges, then we're gonna have a frame away from the edge of the carcass, so we can have our door shutting onto it. So all's been framed up, as you can see. It gives the strength, it gets, because it's glued and screwed through. So what it does, it will glue all together as well as take our frame. I also, as you noticed, yesterday started the end panels. So end panels all are done, all the units. So next thing for me is cut the frame, which will be 25mm thick and depth, and then I will frame it all. And the last thing for the framing is beading, which I got to run through yet. It's not done yet. I got few lines, but not all for it. So I hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. Oh, I gotta wake up, this might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are don't believe